Hi kids, it's me, Teacher Chloe. Welcome back to Brite Star School. I'm so happy you're here for another early learning lesson with me. Are you ready to have some fun? Today we're talking about something super important, cleaning up. Wait, cleaning up can be fun? Oh yes, cleaning up is part of learning, just like playing and reading. Let's imagine we just finished building a big tall tower with blocks. Or maybe we made a beautiful picture with crayons. After all that fun, it's time to put our things away. But why? Well, when we clean up, we're showing we care. We care about our classroom, our toys, and our friends. Cleaning up keeps our space safe and happy for everyone. So how do we do it? It's easy. I'll show you 3 steps. Ready? First, look around and see what needs to be put away. Maybe there are blocks on the carpet or markers on the table. Second, pick up one thing at a time. Take the blocks and put them back in the block bin. Put the markers in the marker box. Everything has a special place. Third, help your friends. Cleaning up is more fun when we do it together. You can say, let's clean up, or can I help you with that? When we work as a team, we finish faster, and it feels so good. Sometimes you might not want to clean up. That's okay. But remember, when you help clean, you're being a kind friend. You're making sure everyone can find what they need next time. And the classroom looks nice and neat. Let's sing a little cleanup song together. Ready? Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, show how much you care. Great job singing. Now, let's pretend we're in our classroom. The bell rings. Bring! Time to tidy up. You pick up your blocks, your friend puts away the puzzles, and together you put the books back on the shelf. Wow! Look how nice everything looks now. Cleaning up doesn't have to be hard or boring. If we all help, it goes by super fast. And guess what? When you're done, you can feel proud. You helped make your classroom a happy place. Remember, cleaning up shows you care about your things, your space, and your friends. So the next time you finish playing or learning, try to put things back where they belong. Take turns, help each other, and make your classroom shine. Thank you for learning with me today at Brite Star School. I'm so proud of you, Bright Stars. If you liked this lesson, come back for more fun with me, Teacher Chloe. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks for visiting the magical world of Brite Star. We're always here and always excited to have you come back and see us again. Make sure you visit us at britestarworld.com for more enchanting books and videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.